Let's assume that the rent in 1997 was $100. If I increase that by X%, the new rent is 100 plus X. If I decrease that by Y%, the new rent is 1 minus Y over 100 because it's a percent decrease times whatever I had before. And the question asks, is that greater than 100? So let's FOIL this out. I get 100 plus X minus Y minus XY over 100. And again, I want to know, is that greater than the original rent, 100? When I can do some algebra, subtract 100 from both sides, I get is x minus y minus xy over 100 greater than 0. And I can also say is x minus y greater than xy over 100. Well, statement 2 tells us pretty directly that yes, it is. So statement 2 is sufficient. Now let's take a look at a couple different scenarios for statement 1. And again, we'll assume that the original rent was $100. Let's say that x is 10% and y is 9.999%. Well, if the rent goes up by 10%, it's going to be 110. And if it goes down by 9.999%, in other words, basically 10%, it's going to be $99 and maybe 1 cent of change. So in this case, no, the 99 rent is not greater than the 97 rent. But let's say that x is 10 and y equals 0. Well, then the rent would start at $100, go to $110, and stay at $110. So in that case, the 99 rent is greater than the 97 rent. So I get two different answers to the question. That means it's not sufficient, and the correct answer is B.